I need a head mount so bad. This angle is so trash. You guys can just look at the fucking the gauge cluster, but that's it. Just went to a meet. My friend's grandpa has like a fucking 1100 horsepower Hellcat or something. There was a Camaro with like 2 of my turbos on it, a 62, 66, or bigger, it's hard to tell. But it was insane. I couldn't find the owner, so I couldn't ask about it, but that thing was crazy. But yeah, I didn't want to film the meet because it was just like a bunch of old people that have cool cars, you know? A bunch of old people that build fast cars for no reason. That's basically all it was. So I didn't want to film. Holy shit. All right, let's turn faster, guys. Let's turn a little faster. Holy shit. I shifted in the middle of that turn. Guys, I'm not pro. I'm not a pro driver. This is devastating. Need a driver mod. Sorry I keep messing with the camera. I just keep glancing down and it just looks so weird. I feel like it's just like, it looks bad. The angle's bad, but you know, whatever. I'm gonna get a head mount, just wait, or I'll get like a GoPro or something, I don't know. Cause I feel kind of weird with a fucking phone just chilling on my head. So, I'll do a little anti-lag hit if I can get a clearing good enough. All right. Alrighty. I would do one in map 3, but my map sensor is broken, so I think in map 2 I'm still making map 3 boost pressure, which I need to fix. Also, I need to fix my rotors. I think they're warped. You see that? Yeah. I think I gotta get that fixed. I know I gotta get that fixed. And I'm gonna get a custom tune, probably. And go full MHD. I don't know. JB4 is just kind of trash now. Used to be good, but it's not. It's not king anymore. JB4, or not JB4. MHD. I feel like some people are going with BM3. I don't really know which is better, honestly. Don't you do it? Yeah, that's what I thought. Some guy almost pulled out in front of me. I think one more little hit for you guys. I'll throw it in map 3 just because. But let's see. Okay, it might be a bit faster. Maybe. Anyways, I think I'm gonna end it there. Thank you for watching. Make sure to check out my channel for other videos, and I'll see y'all next time.